Hi guys, here we have the Era rim cylinder 5-pin, kindly sent to me by Pickbeard. We'll have a go opening it. I think watching this video, it seems only to be a standard rim, so I'll have two spools in it in positions 2 and 4 normally they are. So you should have to set 1, 3 and 5 and then 2 and 4 to open it. Sounds easy, doesn't always work out like that, but we'll have a go. Right, so I feel one's not set yet. 1, 3, 5 is one set. I don't think one was set. 3, 5 is very big clicks. 2, let's try 4. 4, 5 again. Let's check 1. 1 feels like he's set. 2 feels quite hard. 3 feels quite, oh, a bit of movement on 3. That's 5 again, I think, or was that 4? That was 4. That's 5, 4, 4. Oh, come on, getting stuck now. 5, 4. I've not had any counter rotation yet. That's 1. 1, 2 and 3 feel set. That's 4. 5. 4. I'm going to stick on 4 and 5 for a minute and see. 5. 5 again. 5's not, don't want to stay set, so let's try 3, 4, 5. Drop loads of pins then. Finally we got it. We had to be a little bit gentler, but I got it in bloody 4 minutes, but never mind. Right, this I'll have a quick look at what's inside just so I can show you this nice pinning board that Tap Tap made me. So this, rearrange the camera a second. Okay. There goes the camera already. Hopefully it'll stay there this time. Let's find some tools. Okay, so we put the pinning shoe in. Hold down all the pins. Like so. take the clip off. Like so. There you go, there's the clip. Let's find a follower. If I can get the bloody thing out. There's a follower. Get in there, you bugger. There we go. Okay. Right, let's see what we got. Pin 1 is standard. Pin 2 standard. Pin 3 standard. Pin 4 standard. Pin 5 standard. And in here we have, let's take this out. So let's start at the front. See if I can do this without the pins shooting everywhere. Pin 1 is standard. Looks steel, that one though. Pin 2 is a spool. Pin 3 is standard. Pin 4 is a spool, and I imagine pin 5 would be standard. If I can grab it. Nope, I can't grab it. There it is. Pin 5. Yeah, so pretty standard lock, but as PB said, it actually has 6 chambers in there. Yeah, so that was the Era 5-pin, all standard pins. Let's move this up, hopefully you can see those pins. Spools in 2 and 4, all standard key pins. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. That's Simon 01. They run out, and thank you Tap Tap for this gorgeous pinning board. I love it. Alright, see you later, guys.